Inside a screened-in room at the University of Georgia, entomologist Dwayne Beresford collects pine tip moths. These pests kill pine tree branches when they burrow into the center of stems as larvae. Insecticides used to kill the moths are often ineffective because it is difficult to time when and where the pupa will hatch into tiny moths. But use of a biological control that has been effective in reducing gypsy moth populations in the Northeast may well work with the pine tip moth here in Georgia. After 10 years of research under the microscope, Dr. Beresford has collected 500,000 pheromone glands from the female moths.
We're going to cut off the last 2 segments of the abdomen, and this will contain the pheromone or sex-attractant gland.
That gland gives off a scent attracting male moths from as far away as a quarter mile. But in order to synthesize this sex-attractant chemical, enough of the moth's pheromone had to be collected to analyze its composition. Now scientists have successfully copied the sex attractant, and it can be released in a field of pine trees to lure male moths. Now, tomorrow you may send a Valentine card or 2, but in a few weeks when it warms up and scientists put some sexual pheromone on this plastic cap and throw that in this trap, they'll attract hundreds of moths. Unfortunately, it'll do nothing for their sex life. Initially, the pheromone will be used to make insecticide spraying more effective. But eventually, the use of insecticide may be unnecessary because the release of enough pheromone will confuse the males to the point that they cannot find the females for mating. Sort of like a skunk in a paper mill. With a Science Report, I'm Allan Eustis.